In 2025, CEO and President Keith Wargo reaffirmed our commitment to listening, learning, and leading with purpose alongside the autism community. The CDC reports that 1 in 36 children is diagnosed with autism, a reminder of why our work matters across research, advocacy, and support at every stage of life. We remain committed to building a world where autistic people have the support, information, and opportunities they need to reach their full potential.
This is our continued pledge to listen, to learn, and to stand with every individual and family in our community as we work to redefine what's possible, one step at a time.
This year, Autism Speaks reached extraordinary national and global visibility with coverage in outlets including CNN, Fox News, Salon Magazine, and USA Today. Our efforts inform the public on diagnosis, research, innovation, and policy. With over 700 total placements reaching more than 5.5 billion people. We also elevated autistic voices in meaningful new ways. Champions of change and emerging leaders were featured in Forbes, Newsweek, ABC, NBC, CBS, and The Today Show, sharing real perspectives on advocacy, employment, and family life. Families and professionals turn to Autism Speaks for trusted guidance on evolving research and health questions. With a reach of 107 million, we strengthen the trust people place in our work. Through the Autism Response Team and community outreach, we supported more than 66,000 people from communities across the country, providing answers, resources, and direct support when they needed it most. Our Autism Local Information and Research Network expanded through partnerships with Include NYC, the Arc of Illinois, and Task Tech, strengthening connections with service professionals nationwide. Across the country, we connected with communities through 74 events, both in person and virtual. We made our voices heard in Washington, D.C. and beyond by collectively sending nearly 72,000 messages to policymakers to improve autism research, services, and supports. We renewed and expanded the Autism Cares Act, the only federal law solely dedicated to the autism community and responsible for driving $2 billion in investments in autism research, data, and healthcare training programs over the next 5 years. We launched a new Autism Votes election hub, providing autism-specific information and resources on voter registration, accommodations, the voting process, and the importance of casting your ballot. And we helped pass new state laws or regulations benefiting autistic individuals in California, Florida, Illinois, Iowa, Texas, and Virginia on issues related to home and community-based services, special education, transition age supports, employment, safety, coverage of autism care, and more. We advocated to improve services across the lifespan by defending special education and Medicaid services, championing evidence-based decision-making, and supporting bills to improve caregiving and employment. This year, we continued to fuel scientific progress. We introduced a new clinical resource for testing ADHD, anxiety, and irritability in autism. We released DB7 of missing, adding 13,848 samples and 13,801 subjects for researchers worldwide. We funded groundbreaking research into auditory processing differences, offering insights that could transform diagnosis, communication, and daily support, helping clinicians use evidence-informed strategies to improve care. And we celebrated autistic scientists through our fellowship programs, championing diversity and representation in autism research. Thanks to our partners, donors, and volunteers, our reach and impact continued to grow. Autism Speaks was again recognized as one of the nation's top nonprofits to work for and honored as an inclusive workplace, reflecting our commitment to transparency, community connection, and responsible stewardship of resources. Together, we are redefining possible, step by step, family by family, story by story. Thank you for standing with us and for helping build a more supported, connected world for autistic people and their families.